There's no other major city in the world quite like Dubai. Located on the Persian Gulf, on the edge of the Arabian Desert, the city has transformed from a small outpost to a major international trade center in a matter of decades. Known as the shopping capital of the Middle East, it's one of the wealthiest cities in the world and has become a major international tourist destination. With such a high concentration of wealth, UAE is also home to some of the most mouth-watering supercars on the planet. Before we begin this video, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Now, let's go! The fleet includes an Aston Martin 177, one of which only 77 were ever built, a Bentley Continental GT, 3 hybrid Porsche Panoramas, and 2 BMW i8s. Dubai Police's super fleet is not used for many high-speed chases, or actually very many police duties at all for that matter. Instead, the cars cruise around the Dubai Mall area and Jumeirah Beach residents in search of tourists and attention. About the cars. The Dubai Police has been using its super fleet as a marketing opportunity since 2013, when it first introduced the Lamborghini Aventador. Since the beginning, car makers have been vying for a spot on the fleet, which they see as an opportunity to market their own brand. According to an executive for a premium car manufacturer, it's very prestigious to have the Dubai Police as your customer, and it's something that all the dealerships will fight for, he said. Once you've spent many years trying to get into a fleet, you want to stay in, and everybody else is trying to get in. But in addition to speed, its strategy is to have hybrid or electric cars make up at least 25% of government fleet cars by 2030. 2 BMW i8s and 3 Porsche Panorama SE hybrids have already been added to the police fleet. Bugatti Veyron. The Veyron is one of the most recognizable cars in the world. The car holds a world record of being the fastest police car on the planet. Guinness World Records has certified that the Dubai Police have the world's fastest police car, a 408 km/h Bugatti Veyron. In 2014, Dubai's Finest thought it was a good $1.6 million addition to the fleet. Well, Dubai has already got numerous sports cars on the road, so the police definitely needed one. Veyron has a top speed of 247 miles per hour, and there isn't much on the planet that it can't outrun. Number 2. Lamborghini Aventador. Few automakers can rival Lamborghini's reputation for building the world's most extreme road cars, and its all-wheel drive Aventador is case in point. Well, you can't imagine anything more insane than having a 691 horsepower mid-mounted V12 engine among police vehicles. Dubai police cars have got a Lamborghini Aventador which can go from 0 to 100 in just 3 seconds and has a top speed of almost 350 km/h. This is surely one of the most insane cars that you will ever see in a police vehicle collection. Even lined up against the others in the Dubai fleet, the Aventador is simply one of the most insane cars ever to serve in the nation. Ferrari FF. This one looks quite different from the others among the Dubai Police. Unlike most of their supercars in Dubai's fleet and most other Ferraris, the FF is a 4-seater. It gained a reputation as one of the most polarizing looking Ferraris built in recent years, but the all-wheel drive V12 powered car is an all-supercar. Don't mistake it to be a normal car at all. This one is an all-wheel drive powered by a V12 and can go from 0 to 100 in just 3.7 seconds. BMW i8. Apart from taking down all those bad people in the city, this hybrid also allows the Dubai Police to save a few dirhams at the fuel station. The BMW i8 joined the Dubai Police cars in 2015 and is running in its best shape till present day. It has a mid-mounted engine connected to 2 electric motors which generate 357 horsepower and can do a 0 to 100 sprint in just 4.2 seconds. Number 5. Ford Mustang. By now, you may have realized that the insane Dubai Police collection has cars that every patrolman desires. Continuing our list of Dubai Police cars, we have the Ford Mustang. Although it's not as fast as the others on this list, it surely needed a mention because Mustang is an auto lover's delight, and with its addition to the white and green fleet, Mustang has gained its status to be among one of the most expensive police car collections in the world. The city's wealth extends to its police force, and it believes that the best way to fight speed is with speed. Sure, police forces in other countries have a few halo cars that are great for promotional purposes, but a list of the Dubai police fleet reads like a who's who of supercars. Nowhere else in the world is that police car likely to be a Bugatti Veyron, Ferrari FF, or Lamborghini Aventador. This is Dubai, where the police force has just been presented with a certificate by Guinness World Records for having the world's fastest police car in service, a Bugatti Veyron, just one of its strong fleet of supercars. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and let's meet up in the next one.